What if you could create unlimited, high-quality AI images with no restrictions, no credits, and no hidden fees? Introducing MindVideo AI. With this free online AI video generator, you can make stunning videos from text or images. Just click the link in the description below and set up your free account today. Once you log in, you'll see your video AI options in the menu on the left. From text to video, image to video, creating AI video effects, sound generation, and lip sync. You can also create images from text to image, or even turn one image into another. First off, let's try the text to image feature together so you can see how it works. For example, let's type in "soldiers in war" and then I click create. You can see that in just 2 seconds, I got my image, and it's 100% realistic. I can even make a video from this image, or set it as a reference to generate more images like it. And as you can see, MindVideo gives you Google Nano Banana for free AI image creation, and you can use it as much as you like. MindVideo isn't just about video, it's a complete creative suite for AI images and audio, made for creators, artists, and anyone who wants to bring their ideas to life instantly. MindVideo offers over a dozen advanced image models, including Flux and Google Nano Banana. You can pick from creative tools like the AI image generator, AI video generator, AI video effects, and the AI voice and sound generator. Each model is tailored for different creative styles, from lifelike portraits to stylish digital art. And the best part, as we mentioned earlier, is that the Google Nano Banana model lets you generate unlimited images for free. You can see I can go from text to image, type in another example like superhero fighting, pick the Nano Banana option, and create. And you can see I got another image. Now, let's say, for example, I want to use this set as a reference, and now I want to recreate something based on that image, and create, and see what comes out. And you can see I got a new image. Now maybe, I want to make a video based on this image. I just click Generate Video, and I get a full AI video based on that image. And here is the result. Based on one image, I created this video. Let's see the end result. And that's the power I've seen with MindVideo. You can combine AI images with video tools for complete storytelling. And this is brilliant for content creators, marketers, or anyone who needs visuals on demand. Turn your imagination into reality with unlimited free AI image generation and MindVideo.ai. Create anything you want, as much as you want, for free. Click the link down in the description. Don't forget to also hit the like and subscribe buttons, and leave any questions down in the comments. We'll answer them for you. Thanks a million, and see you in the next video.